WQT, Welder Qualification Test. The process of a welder qualification test can vary depending on the specific welding procedure and standards being used. However, here is a general step-by-step guide for a typical welder qualification test. Welding Procedure Specification, WPS. The first step is to establish the Welding Procedure Specification, WPS, which outlines the welding process, welding materials, and welding parameters that will be used for the test. This document should conform to industry standards and be approved by a qualified welding engineer. Welder Preparation. The welder must be prepared for the test, which may involve training, practice, and qualification tests on mock-up specimens. Test Coupon Preparation. The test coupon is a representative sample of the materials and welding process that will be used in the actual project. The coupon should be cut, cleaned, and prepared according to the WPS. Test Setup. The test setup includes the welding machine, the welding positioner, and any other equipment necessary for the welding process. The test coupon should be clamped into position and aligned according to the WPS. Welding. The welder performs the welding according to the WPS, using the specified materials and parameters. The weld should be visually inspected to ensure that it meets the specified requirements. Non-destructive testing, NDT. Depending on the requirements of the project, the weld may need to undergo non-destructive testing, such as X-ray or ultrasound, to detect any internal defects. Mechanical testing. The final step is to perform mechanical testing on the test coupon to determine its strength and other mechanical properties. This may involve cutting the coupon into smaller specimens and subjecting them to tension, bending, or other stress tests. Qualification. If the weld and test results meet the requirements of the project, the welder will be qualified to perform the welding process for that project. The welder will receive a certification stating their qualification, which may need to be periodically renewed. It is important to note that this is a general guide, and specific requirements for a welder qualification test may vary depending on the industry, materials, and welding process being used. Thank you for watching.